So this is the elephant jungle safari, Chitwan. I mean, that's what it is. Humans have been exploiting animals since the beginning of our journey. These elephants look really cared for and very well kept. They get fed a lot, and lots of tourists and locals feeding them sugarcane all the time. There's loads of jungle space. This is a neutral. Over there? Okay, okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, there's so much jungle. They're always being fed. There's lots of space. I mean, look at all this. It's like a lot of jungle. I don't really like the exploitation of animals at all. But it's, yeah, I mean, the baby gets to stay with the mum. So the baby's always by the mum's side and they get fed lots, and there's lots and lots of jungle. So yeah, continuing my video, there's so much jungle. The elephants get to exercise their legs every single day. They walk very far. They're big creatures, so it's not like they're skinny or small. It's good for them, obviously, to walk. They get fed a lot of sugarcane. So yeah, they get fed a lot. There's so much land here to walk on. Obviously, it's not the best job, but we humans have jobs, and we have to suffer and go through stresses, and we get tired, and there's days we don't want to work, where we have to work to live and survive. So, okay, we're going in the water. Okay. Okay, so I drop it. So lovely enough at you. So yeah, it's not the best job and it's tiring. And I mean, this elephant is currently struggling like a mofo. But I see how the women in our species stress, and we have to do jobs every day that we don't want to do. So I mean, there's pros and cons of this experience. There's always pros and cons. Yeah? Okay. Look at places like Thailand, where elephants are literally killed because they're in the wild and they don't have support from humans and they don't have shelter. So it really is like, you got to see the positive and you got to appreciate, because we are a species too. No, I know namaste. We're a species too, and we're here on planet Earth, and we've got to live. And in the wild, we would, we'd be trodden on, really, by these beautiful creatures. Symbol for ancient royalty. I am wise, intuitive, instinctive, and representative of loyalty. I am connected to a divine feminine energy, nurturance, compassion, empathy. It's my sensitivity that allows me to know ancient wisdom from the ground, that allows me to grow. I am majestic, connected to the divine feminine, an ancestral, earthy, mothering energy. Greatest creatures your human eyes can see. And I am so compassionate. I am wise beyond belief. Caring, magnetic, also very deep. We could change the whole story of love. Celebrate, getting tired of no hand. These traditional roles, just us living unconditional love. We could change the whole story of